Palante V2 simple pack. I leave links for all the gear that I'm using down in the description below the video in case you want to check something out. Sweatshirt, Frog Dogs rain jacket, Quaker instant oatmeal for breakfast, Tarp, my cozy with my titanium mug, some ramen soup. This comes with a lid. Keep titanium. Awesome products. Steaks for my tarp. These are my toiletries. Small REI towel, contact lenses, toothbrush, toothpaste, soap. My hat for sleeping at night. Spoon, see the summit. My DD bag. Quick rundown of my DD bag. Okay, here's the bag. Made it myself. Moist towelette that I think is worthless now. Matches, floss with a needle, some Gorilla Tape for repairs. Signal mirror. Have some sugar and a little Kinder Surprise plastic egg. Cotton balls with petroleum jelly in a waterproof container for fire starting, emergency fire starting. A magnifying glass for lighting fires also. Cotton balls with petroleum jelly, birthday candles, and a piece of hacksaw to use the fire steel at the bottom. Several lengths of 550 paracord, emergency lighter, and my sewing kit. Different needles, strong thread, zip ties, couple safety pins back there just to do some basic repairs. My ground sheet. This is my food bag, oatmeal, pesticides, some rice, mashed potatoes. A backhoe lap blender for gathering firewood. Warm leggings for sleeping at night. My inflatable pillow. Everything essential, essential for survival. Oh, this is awesome. This right here is a knife I got from a subscriber. You should really check him out on Instagram. His name on Instagram is Menchaca Sensei, and he makes some amazing handmade knives. He gave me this one as a gift. Beautiful high carbon steel blade out of a leaf spring from a truck, or maybe a rasp or something, recycled materials. Beautiful wooden handle. I've been using it quite a bit, as you can tell, and it's getting a really nice patina. Thank you, Menchaca Sensei. Awesome knife. I'm gonna be using it on this camping trip. Beautiful leather sheath too. My down lightweight sleeping bag. I made this out of a Costco throw blanket for watching TV. I just turned it into a sleeping bag with a zipper all the way around. My Thermarest Z-Light. This is also essential for survival. A little camp grill from Colehan's. I'll leave the link for this, Amazon link in the description. I modified it and made it a little shorter. I have another piece of foam seat pad right here in the front mesh pocket. Some sort of spandex. I have my glasses. I wear contacts. Surefire flashlight. Toilet paper, first aid kit, bug spray, sunscreen, bandages, antiseptic, some painkillers, the basics. Tourniquet, you never know. Some instant coffee, tea, some Dr. Bronner's, side pockets, water bottle, Sawyer water filter. This is amazing, incredible. The other pocket, another liter of water. On the bottom pocket, also made of spandex, very convenient. When you're walking with your pack, you can grab your snacks, buff, easy access back here. I have my buff, emergency SOL space blanket, heavy duty, bandana, and last but not least, front pockets. Have my Spot satellite messenger, lifesaver, especially places like Mexico where there's no help around whatsoever. Some pepper spray. It's always good to have pepper spray. Nightcore headlamp. This is amazing headlamp. Super lightweight, rechargeable with USB. It has tons of lumens, different settings. It weighs nothing and it works perfectly. Highly recommended. And that's it. This is a pack. Super lightweight pack, really comfortable. And I carried all of this crap, essential crap for survival with me.